Hey, welcome to the video. I'm Patrick Kellogg. This is part two, a little DIY project, do-it-yourself project, which is an Arduino over here, and it's feeding this little box that I made that has two 1/8 inch stereo phone jacks on it, and it also has a push button switch, and it basically adds sustain to this synthesizer right here, which is the M-VAVE FM-1, which is a DX7 compatible synthesizer. So I want to be able to do sustain without needing an external MIDI controller or MIDI keyboard, or using the keyboard or using the computer or tablet to send out the MIDI signals. So let me go ahead and just see how it works. Right now you say sustain is off, and so when I use this foot pedal, and I have it on my table here, but it's a standard foot pedal, and when I press it down, sustain should be on, then it goes off. So I have this OLED wired up to monitor the state of the sustain. Also, this push button does the same thing. So if you don't have a foot pedal, or if you don't want to use one and use your finger instead, you can use this push button. So this is wired up. This is the foot pedal goes in here. Now if you don't have one or don't want to use one, just leave it blank. This one actually then routes the output of this over into the synthesizer, into the MIDI in. That's this cable. And then I have the headphone jack plugging into my stereo. So right now if I press one of these keys, it's playing the piano. And again, you can change these. I'll go up to, how about orchestra? And then I can turn up the volume a bit. But you notice there's no sustain. So if I want to sustain, it's just pretty simple. I press a key and then I use this button. Now you notice sustain is on, if you can see it here, and when I let go of it, it goes off. Or I can use the foot pedal. I'm using the foot pedal now, believe me, but so it does the same thing. And then I have this little OLED monitoring the status. I mean, it's kind of lame to use this for just sustain on and off signaling or flagging, but I'll repurpose this later to do something more interesting. So anyway, I guess that's about it. So now I've added and sustain to my little standalone synthesizer without needing any like MIDI keyboard or controller, or needing any computer. And it's kind of cool because this actually can work with other MIDI signals, so I could be sending a whole MIDI sequence through here instead of just using it for sustain, but that's for a different day. So anyway, thank you for watching the video.